So in the last class we had started Git and we had completed installation and we had gone through few commands, but few of them are not working. Let us look into the major reason why it is not working. The reason for this is the credentials. I had two Git credentials, so that is why one is conflicting with the other, so which I could not notice. So that is the reason why we could not able to push the required stuff into the remote repository. So for that, what we have to do here is, maybe you may be getting this in future. So for that, let us go to control panel. Go to control panel. So in control panel, you will be having user accounts. Click on user accounts. In user accounts, you will be having manage Windows credentials. Manage Windows credentials. Here you can see generic credentials. Under generic credentials, you will be having a section for, GitHub. Remove. Not to worry, you can simply remove this. Yes, it has been removed. I will create and show you again. So now, what we want to do here is, let us look into this. We had already installed Git. So now we want to create a local repository. We want to create a local repository, and that local repository we want to push it to the remote one. So for that, what we need to do? So open Git bash, or where you want to create the local repository. So where you want to create the local repository. Let us say you want to create it in E drive. So this PC E drive. Let us say you want to create your local repository here. So just say open Git bash here. So it will automatically take you to this particular drive. So now what we will be doing here is, we will be creating a repository. How to create a repository? So make mkdir, create a directory. Let me call it as my repo for Git. My repo for Git. Let the directory be, and move on to the directory. How to move to the directory? So you can say my repo for Git. So now we are in the directory. You can see there is nothing. So how to make it a Git repository? To make it a Git repository, you have to do this Git init. So Git is initialized. So initialized Git, empty Git repository. So it has been initialized. A Git repository is now initialized. So if you want to see that, ls-a. So it will show you the hidden directory. It is ls-a. So now what we want to do here is, we want to add this repository to the remote repository, to the remote. So how can we do this? For doing this, what we need to do here is, the first step, we need to config this with the credentials. This I had missed. Git config. So hyphen global. This is the command. Hyphen global user dot email. So give the email for that repository. So you already have an account. So give that email. Email for that repository. So that one is. So if you go to Gmail, you can copy that directly. So go to gmail.com. So here you will be having your this one. Just copy this one. This is the mail. This is the one. Okay. Paste it here. Control V will not work. Just paste. Okay. And press enter. So your email is being registered. Now git config username, git config username -- global user.name. So what is the name of, what is the username that what we are using here? Username is, this is the username. Just copy this, paste it here, press enter. So now we have a Git repository with which is configured for this credentials, Now we are going to create some directories and some folders in this particular repository. Let us say mkdir sample. We are creating one directory, sample directory. Move on to cd sample. In this directory, what we are going to create is nano some first.py. Okay. So here we are writing one small program, print hello Python. Don't worry about all these things. It is just a file. So you need not learn Python or something. This is not our job. Okay, we have a file, that's it. Wait. Enter. So if you want to see that file, you can use the Linux command cat first.py. You can see that. So the file is all ready. So come out from sample cd dot and create one more mkdir. Let us create a small directory for Java. So cd Java. In this, what we are going to do, let us create a small Java file. Nano hello.java. So public class hello. So those who know Java, that is okay, but if you don't know Java, need not to worry. We are not learning Java here, just we are creating a file. Developer will give this. Public static void main string args. So here we are writing again system dot out.java. So system.out.println hello Java. Okay, so close main, close this, Control X, Y, enter. So now cat hello.java. So now you can see a simple Java file was written. So cd dot. So now you are coming back to your my repo for Git. So here you can create a sample. You can create another file here. So how to create a file again? Nano. You can say my file dot text. Here you can write what all you want. So here you can, this is some text file, what you can write what all you want. And then you can add what are all you want here. You can simply add them here. So Control X, Y, enter. So cat what is the file? My file dot text. So you can see what are all these things. So clear. So for you to see it clearly, so I am just moving to the top. Clear will bring you to the top. That's it. Now we want to add all these directories and files to the remote repository, which is having the email ID and username that what we had configured earlier. So now what we want to do here is git status, git status. So here you can see. So no commits yet, nothing added, untracked files are given. So now you have to use git add. Here it is mentioning that, here it is showing the next command what you want to use, git add dot. Or if you want to add a single file, then you can do that one also. Now I want to add everything, git add all. Okay, so no need not to worry about warnings. So now we have added everything. So again git status, git status. Now you can see they have changed. So these files are added to the, these files are added. Now we want to commit these files, and then we need to push. So first we need to commit these files, and then we need to push. So remember the sequence: git add, git commit, git push. Remember this. So git commit. So git commit -m initial commit. So this is, we are doing it for the first time. So let us call it as initial commit. Okay. Initial commit. 3 files changed and insertions are done. So these are all inserted. These are all inserted properly. So now we want to push. So now you can see git push. Enter. So here you can see the directory that to where we want to push is not configured. So what we want to do here is, so we want to push this particular one. We know, so we want to push this particular one to the remote repository. We want to push this to the remote repository. So to push this to the remote repository, what here we need to do here is, we need to take using the remote name. So here you can see, so either specify the URL from the command line or configure a remote repository using this. Okay, so what we want to do here is, let us go to the here. Let us go to here. So here I will create a new repository. So here I will create a new repository. So now create new repository. To this repository I am going to push it. Let me call it as GCP repo, GCP class repo, GCP class repo. Okay, we will make it public and just GCP for students class, GCP for students class. So now okay, to push, here you can see, here you can see, so all these things we have done. So now we want to push this. To push this, we want to do this command. You can just copy this, git remote add origin, and paste it here. Paste. So now you can see remote add. So then this remote repository is added. So now you can say git push. Git push. So to push this, here where is a, we need to do the, this is for the first time. This is for the first time. For next time onwards, these things are not required. Paste. Origin master. Yeah, now you can see it is asking for sign in. So sign in with your browser. Click on that. It will take you this. So here you can give your email ID or the password. So the email ID or username. So let me go with email ID, and here I will be giving the password. Sign in. You are being directed to the authorized application. So if we are directed to the authorized application, so this has been done. So now it has been loading to the correct location. So the authorization was done. You can come here. So here you can see git push upstream. So origin master. So we are setting up the upstream and then we are pushing to the origin master. So 7 objects, counting 7 objects. So compression using all these things are done. So now uh, all these things has been pushed into this GCP class repo, into this GCP class repo. So now you can go here, just refresh this. Here you can see your GCP. So earlier, go to your repositories. So your repositories, it is having old repositories that you need not to worry. Another repo, old repo, these are old repositories that you don't worry. So GCP class repo. GCP class repo is the new one that what we have created. In GCP class repo, here you can see there is a Java file which is created by us. This is just now created by us. And similarly, in sample you can see there is a Python file and this is my text file. All these files are now loaded into the remote repository. All these things are now loaded into the remote repository. As it is a public repository, you can share it with anyone. So now we want to share this. So how can I share it? So what you people can do here is copy this, and let me send you here. Oh, Git repository. Where is this GCP? Control V. Send it with you. I just sent to you. So now what we are doing here is, I had sent this to you. One of you, please share your screen. Who will share your screen? One of you, please share your screen. Hello, are you listening to me? Yeshu, are you listening to me? Yeah. Please share your screen, Yeshu. Yeah. Okay, Diksha is sharing. Very good. Okay, I was able to see the screen. Diksha, now please unmute yourself and open not the chat, minimize the chat. Now chat is not required at the moment. Now go to your Git bash. So you had already installed that on your laptop, right? Search here for Git. Search here for, you can open it. Okay. So now here you create one directory. On desktop you create one directory. Type mkdir space my repo or my repos. Give some name. Your wish. Yeah. Press enter. Move to that directory. CD. We have to move to that directory. So you are not making new directory. CD my repo. Yeah, just press give tab. Okay, press enter. Now you are in this directory. So now type, copy the link that what I have sent you on in the chat. Copy the link. Yeah, this one. GCP Adi, that one. Had you copied it? Had you copied that link? No, you have to right click and paste it. So copy that link. Copy this link. Yeah, copy that link. Copy that link. Keep it with you. Now come to the git bash. So here you type git space clone. CLONE clone space paste it. No. Control V will not work. Right click paste. Space. Right click paste. Paste. Press enter. Say ls. No, you are doing it again. Yeah. Say ls. Your git repository. So here you can see GCP class repo is, you got a directory with the name GCP class repo. Go to that directory. How to go to the directory? cd space. Give the name of the directory gc and type చేసి press a tab. Press చేయండి. tab press చేయాలి. రావట్లేదా? మీరు మాట్లాడండి, మీరు అన్మ్యూట్ చేయండి. Yeah, it's not working. So then type it again and then type it. Minimize this. This is not required. Go to your desktop. Go to your desktop. Yeah. So type GCP class repo. Press enter. Now say ls. Can you see? What is there in myfile.txt? Say cat myfile. Yeah, cat myfile.txt. There are what we have created that you are now seeing on your local machine. What you are seeing, myfile.txt. Yeah. So you can see this. So cd java. ls. Yeah, clear. Just clear. CLEAR. Enter. So now you go for cat hello. Of course, give the correct file name. hello.java. Yep. Can you see how you have copied your Git repository from the remote source to your machine? Had you understand this? All of you can try this. Once a Git repository was given to you, how to how to copy this? How to copy this onto your own machine? So this is the first step. Okay. So now, how many of you are having VS Code on your machines? How many of you can stop sharing, Diksha? How many of you are having VS Code on your laptops? Teja, do you have VS Code software on your laptop? Karishma, do you have VS Code on your laptop? Teja, yes or no? No, very good. Karishma, Yeshu? Do you have VS Code on your laptops? Yes or no? Okay. Anyhow, Teja is not having that one. Yeah.
Karishma mic is not working.
Karishma mic is not.
No.
Okay. Karishma is also not having that. Yeshu, do you have one such? Okay, very good. Teja, please share your screen, Teja. Teja,
Ah,
please share your screen, ma.
laptop switch off, sir. Login by phone, sir.
Oh, you logged in with phone. Very good. Okay. So, Yeshu, you don't have your VS Code on your laptop, right? Yeshu left. I'm asking too many questions. Huh? Diksha, do you have VS Code on your laptop?
Network issue.
Okay, fine. Do you have VS Code on your laptop, Diksha?
I'm searching.
Yeah, okay. Please share your screen. Please share your screen. Yeshu, you don't have VS Code, right? If one of you, please share your screen. Good. So, you don't have VS Code. VS. Yeah. No, 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 you don't have it. Okay, fine. Now, go to your Chrome. You have it. Visual Studio Code, you have it. Source code editor, but this is online. Remove this. Close it. Go to browser. Open. Yeah. Google. Go to Google. You should not search like this. This is a wrong practice. Always you should go first. You should go to Google. Don't do this too. Always you have to type google.com. Yeah, there you have to type google.com. Then you can go for searching what all you want. Download Visual Studio Code. Yeah, click on that one. Download Visual Studio Code. Windows. You are using a Windows machine. Go to Windows. Come down. Wait. Come down. Uh, yeah, copy this link. Visual, you are already started downloading that one. It is taking too much time. It is doing it. Okay. So copy this link. Code dot ఈ అడ్రస్ బార్లో ఉన్న లింక్ని కాపీ చేయండి. code.visualstudio.com అడ్రస్ని అది కాపీ చేసి Control C, paste it in the group chat. Right click, copy. Of course, if you have copied, all good. Go to chat, paste it here. Yeah. All of you, please use this Visual Studio Code link for downloading. Okay. So, it is still taking time. Click on the download link, download option. How much time it is taking? Let us see. ఆ బటన్ మీద ఒకసారి క్లిక్ చేయండి. Yeah, please share your screen. Diksha, please share your screen.
Hello?
Yeah, you have shared it, but still we are not able to see that one. You are having a bad network, it seems. Was the download completed? Yes. Oh, you lost internet in between. Diksha, can you go to command prompt? Ah, my God. So to avoid this delay, what I am doing is I will be creating this on GCP. Okay. I already have the installed visual code and everything. So let me move on to Google Console. So come here and then I go to GCP.
Teacher join the class, sir.
Okay, but you are having very slow network, right? Let me go. Yeah, tell me. You are having a slow network. Don't worry. I am just. I will show you on GCP. Need not to worry. So come here. Go to GCP, and I will create one compute instance with VM instance with Windows machine. A Windows machine I will create here. So create an instance, and I can show this on you on this machine. Create instance. So let me call it as Git mm, Git. Let me call it as Git machine. So any zone we need not to worry. So let it be E2 medium. I want to change the OS. Let me change this to Ubuntu Windows server. Just select. I will keep a latest server. So networking, nothing we are going to change. Let me create a machine. Yeah. Let me set the password. Set Windows password. set it as set. Sometimes it will take time because the machine is recently created. Yeah. Copy this and go to RDP, remote desktop connection. Notepad, paste this here, close it. In remote desktop connection, we want the external IP address. Copy this external IP address, paste it here, connect. It will take time sometimes. Machine is not ready yet. Close this. Copy this. Remote desktop connection. Paste it here. Connect. Yeah, username and password again. Okay. Okay. Let us do connect to this machine. You need not to create a machine like this for doing some download and other activities. I am just creating this machine, but on your machine you can do this. You can do that directly on your laptop. So here we can just say google.com, press enter. Here I, yes, yes, VS Code download, download Visual Studio Code. So for Windows, Yes, it is downloaded. Go here. Right click, run as administrator. Meanwhile, again go to Google. Yes. Here I want to download Git. Git download. Download Git. Come here, click OK. Go to Windows. I accept. Click on I accept. Next. 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 Say create a desktop icon. Next. Next. So it will be installing. So it will automatically install that machine. So we need not to worry. It will take care of installing such things. So go to local servers here. Turn off the internet security. That is why it is slow.
Completed. Visual Studio download.
You have downloaded, but installation.
Completed.
You had completed the installation also. All good, very good. So let all people know how to install that. That's why I am doing it. So install. So 64. I am also installing Git again. So in the last class we had installed Git, but I had not shared that one. So that is why I am trying to install.
Share my screen.
You want to share your screen? Please wait. Please wait. I will let you know. Okay. Please share your screen. Yeah, Diksha, you are now sharing your screen. So go to VS Code. Yeah, welcome. Okay. So close this welcome thing. Close this welcome thing. So now you can click on this three dots is there, right? Under the search one. Under the search one. Here. Not there. Here there is magnifying glass is there, right? Search. Symbol. Below that there is three dots. That is called VCS. Version Control System. Click on that. I was talking about right side. Give me a minute. My battery is down. Let me connect. Huh. Click on that one. Source control. Click on that one. So here there is an option for clone repository. Click on clone repository. Clone GitHub repository. So here you paste your the link that what I had shared with you in the group chat. You have a link, right? Oh, it is asking for sign in. No, that this is all not required. Minimize this one, minimize this one, minimize this one. So here repository name you just paste. రిపోజిటరీ నేమ్ ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. నేను మీకు చాట్లో షేర్ చేశాను కదా. ఇది అక్కర్లేదు. గో టు విజువల్ స్టూడియో, విఎస్ కోడ్, ఇక్కడ రిపోజిటరీ నేమ్ అక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. నేను మీకు చాట్లో ఆల్రెడీ ఇందాక షేర్ చేశాను కదా రిపోజిటరీ లింక్. Copy that link, paste it there. Right click, paste. Yes, press enter. Cancel this signing into GitHub. Cancel this signing into GitHub. Yes. Close all these things. Minimize this one. గో టు ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఇక్కడ క్లోన్ రిపాజిటరీ కింద సెకండ్ వన్ చూసారంటే ఎక్స్టెన్షన్ అలో ఓకే. క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ బటన్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ బటన్. సో ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్ బటన్ ఎక్కడుందంటే యూ కెన్ సీ, మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఎక్కడైతే సోర్స్ కంట్రోల్ మీద క్లిక్ చేసినారో దానికి సెకండ్ వన్. యా, దిస్ ఈజ్ నాట్ దట్ వన్, బిలో దట్ వన్. ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్, క్లిక్ ఆన్ దట్ ఎక్స్టెన్షన్స్. Type here git, search for extensions lo type git. So here you can go for GitHub, type GitHub. Install all these things. Click on install, click on install, click on install. Just install. It will automatically install. Keep install all these things. GitHub codes, this GitHub repository, it will automatically install. You keep on installing. GitHub actions, yes, enough. These are enough. GitHub theme, all these things are not required. Once this is done, wait. Once this is all done, just close your VS Code and open it again. Close your VS Code and open it again. Maximize this one. Now you have an option called clone repository here. Click on clone repository. Now paste the link. Allo. Clone repository. Paste the link. Wait. Click on clone repository. Paste the link. Press enter. Click on signing in. ఇక్కడ సైనింగ్ ఇన్ కింద వెళ్తుంది చూసారా, GitHub authentication. Click on that one. Yeah, give your email ID, password. Password. Your password is wrong, or Continue. Authorize. Yeah, click on this one. Now go to desktop, click on desktop. I trust the authors. Please follow me. Please follow me. Don't do anything on your own. Please follow me. Okay. So now click on myfile.txt. Click on myfile.txt. Here you can see we had now getting our repository into we are getting our repository into our VS Code. Okay. So now click on sample. Click on sample. myfirst.py. So here you can see your Python file is already available. So do you want to install Python extension? Install, please install. Yes. And similarly, it will install automatically. You can close this. It will install automatically in background. So you can click on this file above the search. There is above the search magnifying glass. There is Explorer. Click on it. Now go to Java. Go to Java. Open that one. Click on hello.java. Yep. Install Java language extension. Install. Yep, it will install automatically. Now come to Python. Click on Python. First.py, Python. Extension is still installing. We have to wait. Extension for Python is installing. Extension for Java. It is also installing. Extension pack for Java. This is also installing. Okay. So in today's class, we had completed installing Visual Studio Code, installing Git, and as well as installing Python extensions and Java extensions. On all your laptops, kindly complete up to this, and in tomorrow's class I will teach you how to add extensions into your into your program and upload the same into your repository and make some changes in the repository and how to get it back. So these things, it will also take 1 more hour. So we will be discussing in tomorrow's class. Okay. Is everything clear? It will take some time. It will be automatically completed. Need not to worry. Tomorrow we will discuss this again, Diksha. So need not to worry. You can keep it. You can leave your laptop like that and it will be done automatically. Okay. Thank you all. Thank you. Anything else? Anyone want to talk? All good? Thank you.